Start.
You start with that one, eh?
Yeah.
I don't want to be harsh, you know.
Let me start.
Alright, go on.
First thing I want to say, people are gonna beat me for saying
Yeah,
this.
tell me I hesitate in the
No,
car.
people are gonna beat me for saying no time about this. Right?
Go on.
People are gonna say this and them are gonna say that.
Mm-hmm.
There's this thing going around where people are questioning his commitment and his heart.
Mm.
Saying that, oh, he doesn't perform for Jamaica because he's not committed or because he doesn't care.
Madness.
I want to rubbish those claims right here and right now.
Mm-hmm.
Matter of fact, more clip this and post this on Instagram and Facebook and everywhere.
I shall, my brother.
Because I've been hearing it. Oh, how him can do this for him club, how him can do this in a German, how him can do this in England. And when him come to Jamaica, when him come play for Jamaica, he can. And they must say, oh, because I'm not care, or they think because I'm not care. I mean, I say, have you watched the game? Do you see a person who doesn't care?
Yeah.
Because that's definitely not what I see. You know, I see a person who is working his tail off, who is giving everything that he can give for his country, you know, who is willing to play hurt for his nation. And, you know, the way he tracks back, I don't see that when he play for Villa. The way him continue running, the way him press and tackle and, you know, and leads on the field, I just don't see that for him when he's in Europe. And I definitely see a more mature player. I definitely see a more determined player when he's playing in Jamaica colours. So let me preface this whole rating by saying that first and foremost. Now, why he's played 19 games for Jamaica and still hasn't gotten it right yet, I don't know. But let me rubbish the assertions that it's because he just doesn't care when he plays for Jamaica. Because that's the furthest thing from the truth. This man is completely committed and is completely driven.
One of the hardest workers. Yeah, on the pitch every single time Liam Bailey plays for Jamaica. And I agree with you. So before you get rating, me I go pile on. I feel like people just say things just because. You know, if you really watch the game, first of all, Liam Bailey is getting in good position, attackingly, going forward.
Yeah.
But defensively, he's always working. Liam Bailey not stop running when he play for Jamaica, bro.
Yeah.
Even sometimes when we're pressing and another player isn't pressing,
another player is
you know, slacking off.
effing up on them press.
Liam Bailey is always there. Liam Bailey is always running.
Cover for two people.
You see me? So don't question
the
commitment, bro. If I one thing I can't question from Liam Bailey, it's the commitment. He wants to play for Jamaica. It's clear if we're supposed to use the way him, you know, play with him heart on the pitch. He loves Jamaica. If that we're supposed to use. You get me? I say, but now I question that. No.
For sure.
On the technical and the ball playing side, then we can criticize him game. But in terms of heart and commitment, that can't be the reason why I'm not score 10 goals in a 19 games. It can't be. Madness. So, I agree with it. Continue with the rating.
Alright, so just to preface the ratings now, so people can beat me on that, but people will agree with me as to how I rate his performance. Not a very good performance again. You know, and it started out well. You know, he started out